Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel, you're welcome to my page. I am Isohe Osizoa. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this fluffy, good looking bread. So without further ado, let's get started. So on your mixed bowl, you're going to need 2 cups of warm milk or warm water, and then you will need 2 room temperature eggs, and after that you will need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then you can choose to use sugar, or you can choose to use honey. But on this recipe, I choose to use honey, and then I think I used between 6 to 7 tablespoons of honey. As you can see, I'm measuring out the honey. It's the spoon is not as full as a normal full tablespoon. So that's why I end up using 7 tablespoons of honey. So I'll go ahead and mix the honey and the eggs together. And I'll mix it all together, and I'll go ahead and add in my yeast. Quick Eastern yeast. I'll use about 1 tablespoon and a quarter of yeast, and then I'll go ahead and mix the yeast and the honey together because yeast loves sweet. So after that, I'll go ahead and add in my bread flour, and I'm using King Arthur bread flour. So you can use about 7 cups of flour. You can use all-purpose flour or bread flour. So because this was my last old bag of flour, I decided to use about 6.5 cups of flour. So if you have more, you can always use 7 cups of flour. So I'll go ahead and add about 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'll start mixing my bread with the stand mixer. So I'm going to be using 1.5 stick butter, 1 stick butter with a half. Okay, so as soon as I see that my bread was coming together, so I decided to add in the butter gradually. You can choose to add it all at once if you want, but I just wanted to see how the process goes, just spending time with my bread. That's why I'm just doing it gradually, little by little. Like I said, you can choose to put everything at once if you so desire. And thank you all so much for watching my video. If today is your first time seeing my video, thank you. You are welcome to my family, you're welcome to my channel and my page. So do me the honor by subscribing to my channel, like, comment and share my video, so that will encourage me to do more video like this or other. So as soon as my bread start coming together, I went ahead and add about 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then again, you can choose to add the oil at once, or you can choose to add it little by little, just like the way I'm doing it now. And before you know it, the bread is almost ready. The bread dough is almost ready. So I use extra virgin olive oil. And my bread dough is coming together, looking good. So I'll go ahead and prepare my baking pan. So I'll use my butter paper just to butter up the pan so that my bread will come out so easily. So I'll be using 2 bread pan. Now I don't know the measurement of this bread pan, but I'm pretty sure you can see it, so you can decide for yourself the measurement. So I'll go ahead and wash my hand. Always make sure you wash your hand. So after washing my hand, and I went ahead and divide my dough into 2, and then let it rest for an hour so that it can rise up. After an hour, my bread has risen up, and I'll go ahead and take the foil wrap up, and then just brush it up with egg wash, and then bake for 350 to 20 to 25 minutes. And before you know it, the bread was ready, like good, fluffy, delicious. Voila! The bread is golden brown. It's all ready. So I'll go ahead and rub in the butter so that the bread will be soft, because after baking your bread, if you do not put butter on top of it, your bread will come out so hard, like when it's cool, the bread will be so hard and you do not want that. So to have that fluffy texture, after bringing your bread out of the oven, make sure you butter the top. So I went ahead to have a slice of the bread. You can see that the bread is so spongy, so hairy, like so bready, like as if it was professional made. And yeah, it looks so nice. And I had a slice of it, and I taste the bread. Oh my goodness, it was delicious. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Bye.